This here is the LaQuinta Inn in El Paso, Texas. And we have multiple buildings here. It's a very interesting property. We also have some very interesting elevators to check out as well. And the first one is right here. It's an Otis. Go to 3. We have one more elevator to look at on this property. And while we walk over to it, we'll take a note at this interesting layout. So there are these handicap ramps and steps to get to the next building. So this building here does not have an elevator, so you have to go up this. Over here is the pool, just kind of in the center. Here's the laundry. Over there is the main building, the office. Here's some more of the ramps. Here's the other elevator. And there's a little bit of a view, not too much to see. Now let's ride this elevator. I wonder if any of these indicators work out here. going to assume that's a no. Yeah, kind of figured that much. Well, those were the two wonderful elevators at this hotel. The hotel is definitely neat. The elevators, they're a little crusty. And that's going to be it.